Coming up in Module 3, Outreach and Landing Your First Deal. In this module, we'll cover Location Requests Explained, how to find your first leads today, what to say on the call, addressing ego and hesitation, and objection handling. Module 3, Lesson 1, Location Requests Explained. At Vending Village, we receive location requests from vending operators every single day. They're sharing who they are, the location in which they service, and the machine type they're looking for locations. They also share their budget. We've compiled all these location requests into one Google Sheet, which we share with you, so that anytime you can pick a new request and go out and target that area. You can do it on your own. We will help provide scraped lists. You can take these requests and they're available at any time and to go out and tackle. The beautiful part about these requests are that it's a strong indicator that an operator is ready to buy. But these requests, it's not that somebody claims it and it goes away. It's the reverse. It's that the more it gets filled, the more opportunity there is to secure more locations in that area for these operators to buy. That's just a quick explanation of how location requests work. To clarify, a vending operator fills out a location request and it's sent to us, in which we share with you directly right away. So as soon as it comes in, that means there's an operator who's ready to buy. If you go look in that area and secure something, we'll send it directly to the operator to buy it. And we're going to send it to every other operator in that area as well. That's how location requests work at Vending Village.